Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Market Insider TV. It is Monday morning. It is December the 24th. Thanks for joining us here. Brian Hoops with Midwest Market Solutions, wishing you a very wonderful weekend and a very Merry Christmas coming up here in just tomorrow. We will have a closing comment this afternoon, but if you don't tune in for that, have a wonderful Christmas. We'll talk about trading hours here in just a second as things are definitely affected going forward with this week and next week. As always, this time of year, we can have a lot of news. We can have some volatile market movements. If you're sitting down catching up on bookwork, want to talk about marketing programs, marketing plans, personalized for your farm operation, reach out to any of our offices there listed on your screen. I know someone would be glad to take time to talk with you. Just reach out to one of them. You can find the phone numbers at our website. All right, news-wise, markets close early today. 12:05 is the grain and livestock close. Now, Minneapolis does trade till 12:15, but for the most part, almost all grains and livestock at 12:05. The stock market will have regular trading hours. So just wanted you to be aware of that. Now, there's no trade tonight. There's nothing on Tuesday whatsoever, Tuesday or Tuesday night. So markets will reopen Wednesday morning, 8:30 a.m. Central Time. And we will be back at that time with our next daily newsletter and our TV. But after this segment, we'll have a closing TV segment, and then that'll be it until Wednesday morning due to the Christmas holiday. Now, due to the partial U.S. government shutdown, the USDA website will not be updating information. That places all government reports in jeopardy until a solution has been found. So we will not have any private export sale announcements, no weekly export inspections, that sort of thing will be out the window. But we will still be having normal trade other than the abbreviated trading hours at this time. So yeah, government shutdown does do some effect of some of the markets here. And we've put out some information on Twitter about the how that will affect the farm payments. Over the weekend, Ag Resource reports there's rumors that a private Egyptian buyer secured 2 to 3 cargoes of U.S. hard red wheat over the weekend. That did give a little bounce to Kansas City through most of the night. We did end fractionally lower in the wheat contracts, corn down about 3 and soybeans off 3.5 cents. On some follow-through selling, as it was a poor technical close to the week last week for corn and soybeans. Cash cattle traded higher last week, about a steady to $1 higher on a live basis, $3 higher on a dress basis last week. Cattle futures should open a little firmer here this morning, a little follow-through buying. Steer weights were down 3 pounds from last week at 896 pounds, making them 8 pounds lower than a year ago. And that is friendlies. It has less supply on the market for us to deal with. Overall, I think the cattle market is in very strong hands. Typically, we get a flush during this time of year, a sharp downward move in the futures. That has not happened. The cash supplies, I think, are going to be a little tighter than a year ago levels, and weights are way down compared to last year. All this is friendly, positive for the market here, and I think we are looking at strong prices going into the summer months for cattle. I would say if we do get a big drop in the cattle futures anytime here, and that could certainly happen with the low volume of trade. If that happens, look for quite a bit of buying interest to come into the market by traders. All right, that's what we have for you today. We hope this helps you out. Hope you have a great day of trade, and